to the H1 Classic here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. We've got the Delta Force 23 Mini Sniper and the Blackjack 24. We're going to do some racing here today, so grab your popcorn, grab your drink, get ready for some racing. These guys have one speed, one gear, and that's fast, folks. Get set, go! These drivers have to use every skill they have to make it through this round. We've got a rock pile on one side of the course. There's a concrete retainer on the other side of the course. The Delta Force is taking the lead. Oh, the Blackjack got the inside and he lapped him. Oh, the Delta Force is in the rooster tail. I don't know where these boys are going, but they are going. Oh my God. Here comes the Delta Force taking the outside, trying to catch up with the Blackjack. Oh, got in the rooster tail again. Trying to get him on the inside, and he nailed it. This is some real racing here, folks. This is heart-pounding, heart-stopping racing. Oh, and he almost hit the concrete wall. Amazing, folks, amazing. Oh, the Blackjack took the lead, and it does. This is a real race here, ladies and gentlemen. Grab your popcorn, grab your drinks, and sit back and enjoy the racing here. Oh, there was a flip full contact sport. Oh, he cut out in front of him. The Blackjacks, I don't know where he's going, but he's going, and the Delta Force is gone. These guys are running on 3S today, folks. Pure power, heart-pounding power. Oh, he catches a rail. The Blackjack's soon behind. The Delta Force is catching his head. Oh, and the Blackjack lapped him. Oh, this is a race, folks. This is a race for the books, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, he's in the rooster tail. Oh, and the flip, ladies and gentlemen. Did you guys see that? Let's do an instant replay. Starting to sprinkle a little bit here. The boats are getting set up. I hope this doesn't mess up the driver's ability to see through the rain. On your marks, get set. The Delta Force is right behind. Oh, it was full contact collision, folks. Oh, this. Let the drivers get the bearings here after those big collisions. And the Delta Force took the inside and got the lead. The Blackjack's not far behind. Look at all that flow, folks. These drivers are on point today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are enjoying the second annual RC boat race here in Jacksonville, H1 Classic. These guys are on it today, folks. We've got a race. Oh, the Blackjack's coming up, and oh, full contact flip. All right, folks, on your marks, get set, go. He's got more power in his Blackjack now, folks, so he should be able to keep up with me. Running 3S and 3S, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the Blackjack took the inside. He caught up with the Delta Force. Oh, I think he's still dazzled from that wreck we just had. Look at all the flow, ladies and gentlemen. Here they come down the home street stretch, and the Blackjack took the inside. Oh, the Blackjack's coming through, and we got some carnage in the back stretch there, ladies and gentlemen. This is phenomenal racing here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. The Delta Force trying to take the inside. He got in the rooster tail. Oh, he caught a rail. Oh, the Blackjack got the lead. Oh, this is racing at its finest, folks. Oh, they both went wide on the outside corner there, taking a hard left. Woo! Oh, he got in the rooster tail. Oh, the Blackjack's got the lead. The Delta Force got in the prop wash. He couldn't get through. Oh, it's a race for the finish. Oh, he caught a rail. The Blackjack's got a lead on him. See if the Delta Force can catch up. This is amazing, folks. Oh, the Delta Force is way back there. One little mishap on a race like this can end your day. They've got to watch out for the concrete retainer, the pile of rocks on the backside. And we've got a flip, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do an instant replay. H1 Classic here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. On your marks, get set, go. And the races are off. Oh, the Blackjack took the lead. He come out like a jet out of hell. Oh my God, he got into the prop wash. Where's the Delta Force going? He's dazzled from the prop wash. And he took the inside. The Delta Force is way behind. Blackjack is in the lead. Full throttle action here in Jacksonville, North Carolina as they make the turn around the back corner. On the back straightaway, it's a race to the finish. These drivers mean business, folks. And he took a left turn. The Delta Force is in the lead. The Blackjack's got a lot of catching up to do. These boys are running 3 and 4S today. Pure power on these high performance RC boats. These boats are literally ironcladed out, folks. And we've got to almost flip the Blackjack. Did you folks see that? That was amazing. He recovered from that devastating turn. Anyway, make it down the back stretch here. Around the first turn, a little rail, he caught a rail. The Delta Force took a wide turn. The Blackjack's right behind him. Folks, this is exhilarating. Oh my God, he's in the rooster tail. He's trying to get around. The Delta Force swung right. The Blackjack took it. Oh, the Blackjack took it in the inside corner. Here comes the Delta Force around straight away. Oh, and he took a wide turn. The Blackjack's got a full half a lap on this fella here. Oh my God, the crowd's going wild, folks. The crowd is going wild. This is pure entertainment for you guys. Oh, folks, did you see that? Flip completely over. Let's see that again. All right, let's see if the driver's okay in the boat. Everything's all right. He gave us a thumbs up. Let's get back to the action. Oh, and they both take off like a bat out of hell. He's in the rooster tail. Oh, full contact, ladies and gentlemen. Did you see that? Oh, and again, the carnage. Absolute carnage, ladies and gentlemen, here in Jacksonville. As the Delta Force takes the lead. He's probably gonna get points taken off for that, folks. Oh, the Blackjack's trying to catch up. He's doing a hell of a job. Oh, he nailed it on the straightaway. He takes the inside corner. The Delta Force is trying to hold him off. Here comes the Blackjack on the inside. Oh, he just couldn't do it. Oh, and the Delta Force had to take the inside. That is some good driving there, folks, from Team Blackjack. And the Delta Force team just can't keep up. That catamaran is out of here, folks. And he's trying to redeem himself, and he did. The Delta Force took the lead. And he flipped on the corner again, folks. Let's see that again. Delta Force team definitely needs to do some tuning to their boats. The Blackjack team is on point today, folks. Let's get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they're off. Around first, the backside corner. Down the straightaway, fighting for first. The Delta Force goes wide. The Blackjack takes the inside. Full contact, ladies and gentlemen. The Delta Force takes the lead. They give it all they got on the back stretch. Here they come. The conditions are beautiful here today. The Delta Force takes the lead. The Blackjack's right behind him. And he takes a wide corner, and the Blackjack pulls it off. Oh, the Delta Force is in the rooster tail. Oh, it's a race for the finish. Oh, my. Oh, head-on collision, folks. Oh man.
Oh.
That definitely deserves a like and a subscribe, folks. Tough break for the Delta Force team. So that's going to conclude our day of H1 racing. We took a big impact on our new sniper here. We got a hole in the hole, so we're going to have to fix that, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blackjack and the Delta Force, thank you guys for joining me. Big B here with Ironclad RC.
Amazing, fun, and dangerous for both of them.
Fun racing, huh?
Fun, yeah.
Fun racing, right? Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more videos later.
Man, she was running good today, you guys. Oh, this is a fun little boat to drive. I'm telling you what. It's a bummer it happened, that hole happened, because I had a big week of videos planned for this boat this week. And yeah, well, life happens. But I wouldn't trade it for the world, because I had a good time with my son, you know, doing it. And it was kind of, you'll see in the video, you've seen in the video, I was going on the inside, he was taking it outside. I thought he was going to keep his line, but he cut right in front of me, and I hadn't started my turn yet, and he speared it. Yeah. Just a little ding in the boat. But we got it fixed up. She's ready for race week.